You know, it's easier to be on that side of the camera than it is on this side.
Hold that.
That's so cheesy.
Stop laughing. Look serious.
Her door and her job did not go very well out here.
Yeah.
So she called. I guess she didn't know she was.
We had to bring some rations for the guy. 3, 2,
Do it.
Do it!
all right.
Huh? What do you say?
Yay!
All right, good.
And what the sun does in our environment.
Start over. That sentence made no sense.
What made no sense?
What you see behind me is fresh paint.
Yeah.
And the old paint was what it was painted before, and the paint that you see.
How does that not make sense?
More. Go for it.
Oh, I missed.
Come on.
Oh my god.
Can I do a little? Oh, scares me. Didn't see you.
Happy in your face.
Hi.
Hey, girl.
Ha! Please. It ain't easy being cheesy. Clear the area and move all items.
If you have any further questions, or you need anything, what was it? No questions, or you have.
Or anything else I can do for you?
I don't know how you get messed up right there. Okay. Good job.
Hi guys, thanks for watching our videos.
Hey, good morning. Hi, I'm Jason with Smile Mile Painting. Okay, so here we are with Winston, and I explained to him our process and how we do things.
And
I just finished.
and how we do things.
How we do things.
So
Jason with Smile Mile Painting, and today I brought a van out here to the Middleton Fall Festival. October till the end of October.
say like.
Wait.
Just say like start September.
Alright, I broke the glass out of these two.
You good?
Yeah.
I only told you to hit it once.
Are you good?
Alright.
You guys are inside. You guys stay warm. Don't come out here. I don't know if I like that.
Okay.